Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change voice on Filmora application. Changing the voice in Filmora application is a straightforward process, so let's go ahead and dive into the video. Launch open Filmora application to get started. From the first interface, go ahead and tap on New Project and select the video project you'd like to edit. Or you can also choose one of the existing projects of yours. After you open up a project, if you want to change the voice on your videos, simply go ahead and click on the audio option at the bottom. After selecting audio, click on record at the bottom right corner. But before that, if you want to mute the original audio from your video, you can tap on the little speaker icon at the top left corner of the screen. After you mute the audio from the clip, go to the record option at the bottom toolbar and tap on it. Click on the record red button and record your audio that you'd like to apply on the video. After you are done with the record, click on voice effect at the bottom right. Choose the voice effect you would like to change to. There are multiple voice options that you can choose from, and after you do that, you will be able to apply the voice change effect onto your recording. Finally, after you are happy with the result, click on the tick mark at the top right and export the video with the desired audio change or the voice change by clicking on export at the top right corner. Select one of the export option, and that is how you can change voice on Filmora. So that's how it's done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.